Welcome. In this video I will show you how to expand the storage in your Black Shark Pad 7 using an external SD card. First of all, prepare your external SD card. Eject the SD card tray on the left edge of your tablet. To do that, you're gonna need a pin-like tool like this one. Find this pinhole, carefully insert your pin-like tool here, and this will open the tray. Eject it from here. Now you're gonna have to place your SD card inside like this. And then insert it back into your tablet. Make sure to insert it properly. So we have to align the holes on the tray and carefully insert our SD card. Make sure that it sits firmly and doesn't slip out. Now we have it inserted. We also heard the notification sound, which indicated that tablet detected some external SD drive. Now we're gonna have to open settings to check whether the tablet detected our external storage. Let's go to storage. Now we have this device and new volume. The new volume is the SD card, and this device is the internal storage of our device. Now we can format the SD card in case it's not in case our device doesn't read the files properly. To format your SD card, which will erase all data from your SD card, you're gonna have to select new volume right here, then tap the three dot icon and select format, then confirm, and wait until your SD card is formatted. After the proper formatting, you'll be able to move your data to your SD card, install applications on it, etc. Once it's done, you can tap done, and now we have this device, which is once again the internal storage, and Android, which is the extension. To access our folders, let's open Google Apps, and so let's go to Files. Okay, I don't see files in here. Maybe we have them somewhere else. Okay, so here we have the Files application, and here we'll be able to check both internal and external storages right here. So we have the internal storage and SD card. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.